Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's find them. And here we have to scroll down in order to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we right now cannot customize. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, and right now we can freely tap on date and from the calendar pick the date we want to use, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just set the one you like to use, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the status bar. After tapping on the time zone and the region, it will be transferred to the list of available ones, so just scroll, find yours and tap on it. Let me pick this one. It will be also immediately applied, and be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can also decide what kind of clock format you want to use. We've got local default right now, and after turning off this option, we will be able to manually kind of decide. So right now we are using the 12-hour format, and if you want to use 24-hour one, just tap on the switcher here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manually customize the date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here. So basically that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.